Immunogenicity and antigenicity.
Presenting!
Hi Mary, are you okay? You look pale.
Hi Anna, I have fever since yesterday.
I'm sorry for you.
I think my immunogenicity is low. Oh no, I mean my antigenicity is low.
Mary, do you know the difference between immunogenicity and antigenicity?
I still cannot differentiate them.
Okay, let me make things clear. Let's discover!
Let's start with immunogenicity. A pathogen such as bacteria invaded the bodies. Here, bacteria are the antigens. Once inside the body, B cells recognize these antigens for more specifically antigenic determinants for epitopes of the bacteria. After recognition of the antigen, B cell differentiated into plasma cells, which are specific to these antigens. These plasma cells produce specific antibodies which bind to the antigens and further lead to the destruction of that pathogen. So here, we saw that the antigen induced the immune response. So, the ability of a substance to induce an immune response, either humoral or cellular immune response, is known as immunogenicity, and such substances are called immunogenic.
Now, move on to antigenicity. Let's say a pathogen such as bacteria invaded the body. Once inside the body, antibodies bind to invade the bacteria. This time, the antibodies are specific to the epitope of this bacteria or already present in the body. Here, note that the bacteria do not induce an immune response. They just bind to the product of the immune response that are antibodies. So, antigenicity is the ability of a substance to bind specifically to the product of an immune response, and such substances are called antigenic.
Now look at this statement very well. All molecules that are immunogenic are antigenic too, which means all molecules that are able to induce immune response are also able to bind to the final products of the immune response. Like in the humoral immune response, it was induced by the antigen, the bacteria X, and the antibodies produced bind specifically to that antigen. So, substances that are immunogenic are also antigenic.
But all antigenic molecules cannot be considered immunogenic because antigen is some substance which are able to bind to the final product of an immune response but cannot induce an immune response by themselves.
For example, heptin able to react with the antibody but unable to stimulate their production without carrier molecule. So, Mary, are you clear now?
Yes, I got it. Thank you, Anna.